Yeah. Second mixtape feeling great. That's what they waiting on. Ace of Spade. 808 champ. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's me, Natasha Lynn, and this is Chronicles of a Professional Stylist. So today I want to do a product review on Bobbi Boss Premium Synthetic Wig. This is the wig right here. It is a blonde ombre wig, and so I'm just gonna pull it out. And this is the number MLF 178 XENON, and the color is TT6/23. You can see it right there. Okay. So as you can see, the wig looks really cute, and I wanted to try it. I like blonde. I just love blonde, so I wanted to try it. So I decided to do a product review for you guys if you're interested in trying it. So when I went into the store, I was looking for this kind of wig, and I didn't see it when I was looking for it. So I seen a black and blue ombre wig, and the lady said, they have a different color. They have in different color. So I just kept looking to see, the color that I wanted, and that's how I found it. So I'm just suggesting to you guys, if you walk into a wig shop or you walk into a beauty supply store and you don't see the color that you're looking for, just ask if it does come in the color that you're looking for. But usually if you find a ombre style, it'll come in different colors, and then you can pick the color that you want. Okay, so this is the wig. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh yeah, I think I'll have some fun with this. Okay, so I'm looking at the cut. The cut looks a little bit weird, but that's okay. I'm a stylist, I can fix it. So I'm just gonna show you. See, this is what I was looking at. This right here. I was like, what is that? But that's not a problem, I can fix that. So I'm just gonna show you the construction of the wig. It's a basic wig cap from the inside. It does have the breathable holes in it, so it shouldn't get too hot up here. And then it has that sewn in thing. I don't know what that's called, but yeah. And it's a lace front. So I like the lace fronts because they look more natural. Now this lace is a little bit, almost a brownish burgundy color. I don't know, but we will work with it. It feels really good. Does it feel synthetic? Yes. But I mean, it's a synthetic wig. I don't want it to look like baby doll hair, but we'll see how it goes when we put it on. All right, so just gonna check and make sure. Look at the directions to see if it is curling iron safe. That's always important to me because I want to know if I can curl it or not. Okay. It doesn't say it on here. Okay. Care instructions are on this part right here. It says, gently brush the wig thoroughly with a wig comb to remove any tangles. Use a wig shampoo to wash inside of the cap where it meets your forehead. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. It doesn't say anything about flat iron. It's just telling you how to wash the wig. Okay, those are care instructions. Alright. Okay. Here. Oops. Here. In little tiny letters. I mean, little tiny fine print. Right there. It says premium high heat fiber. Safe heat styling. So I'm just going to tell you what that means to me. It doesn't tell you what degree to go up to in styling it. I'm just going to check some other things to make sure. Okay. Nope, doesn't say. So what that means to me is that you should not flat iron this wig. If it doesn't have instructions on how high the heat should go, or what kind of tool you should use, is it flat iron, curling iron, a Marcel iron. If it doesn't have specific instructions, then that tells me that they didn't concentrate too much on putting heat on this. So that's what I'm going to take it as. I've tried to curl wigs in the past that didn't have instructions like this, and the result wasn't good. So I'm just going to tell you that I'm not going to try. Maybe later when I'm done wearing it, I might try to bump it a little bit, but I wouldn't suggest it. Just a little tiny fine print that says you can curl it, but you know. So, okay, got my little bowl of clips, got me a big comb that I'm gonna use, and I got my little stocking cap. So my stocking cap is a little dark, but that's okay. Stretch it out a little bit. My head's kind of big, a little bit. Alright, so I'm just gonna put all of my hair in this cap. And then, oh, that's tight. So, let's see. Okay. Alright. Let me pull this lace down a little bit. Okay. So as you can see, alright. Alright, that looks pretty good. I am going to cut this off. Maybe do a center part. Let me see what it would look like with the side. No. But yeah, I'm gonna cut off this lace and do a center part in my hair. And this is about how much hair you want to leave out on your edges. Not unless you want to pull out more to make it look more natural. I'm not going to do that today. So let me get a little closer so you can see. Okay. So it's pretty good. It's a decent wig. So I'm going to cut the lace. I'm going to pluck some hairs right here to give it more natural. But I'm going to do that and then I'll come back. Okay. So I had went ahead and parted my hair and laid it down on the edges. You can use either Murray's edge wax, or you can use Got to Be Glued spiking glue. And all this is just a wax, but they call it a glue because it's really sticky and tacky. So I actually used a little bit of both because I didn't want it to be really hard. But so yeah, I just parted down the middle and slicked my sides and edges down. Okay. All right. So next I am going to go ahead and put the wig on. I used a little bit of concealer. As you can see, I put some concealer on it because when I was plucking the hair, this thing seems to be like really sensitive, so I didn't want to tear it up. So I went ahead and just used some concealer, and that's okay. It's all what your preference is. You don't have to do what everybody else does. So as you can see, I'm just going to apply a little bit more, and I'm going to show you because I don't know if I can do it while I'm... You can see, so now it's looking more like a scalp, my scalp. Alright, and that looks pretty good. We're not going to get too deep with it. But when you do apply it, you know, just come down with it and then take it and then just kind of sweep it out a little bit. Because, you know, it's kind of rare that your part is that narrow. Because if you can see my part, it's got it's a little spacey, you know. So, just wiggle it. That looks good enough. So I'm going to apply the wig. And I just got it on the normal straps that it came in. I don't think I need any extra tightening, but if you do, you know, go ahead and tighten it up. Okay. All right. So this is about where I want my wig to stay, right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of my, can you see that? My Got To Be glue, and I'm going to use the other end of my makeup stick. So I'm just going to use a little bit right here. I'm going to go just like this. Not that much, that's all you need. So I'm going to lift this up. Oop. Put that little piece right there and tap it. I'm going to use a clean one and just hold it in place. Okay. And you can hold it here for a few minutes. You can blow dry it if you want to, but you know, this hair is like really, and I don't want it to be all over the place in my mouth and everything, so I'm just gonna hold it here myself. Okay, and this dries really, really quick, so you don't have to worry about waiting forever. All right, and that is it. Try not to be a perfectionist today. It's not cute. Okay, that's good. That's good enough. Okay. All right, so this looks real good. See the color? Looks like blonde. And it looks like some peachy and gray tones in it, which is really nice. Gives it a nice blend. So as you can see, okay. So tell me what you think of this color. And this wig was $49.99, and the little lady gave me 20% off because I'm a stylist. And you can get these at probably at your local beauty supply. And again, this was a Bobbi Boss wig. All right, that is it. Thank you for watching Chronicles of a Professional Stylist. I am your professional, Natasha Lynn. Please don't forget to like, watch, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. Peace.
And that's my pride. Walking, counting blessings, that's my life. I can see the proof in the sky. Why they always blocking from the side? And to no surprise, I want my career to have a long life. Pieces from the pie, looking nice, I might eat it thrice. Your partner keep blocking from the blind side. I feel like I got weights on my toes, 10 toes down. I know I'm ahead of the pros, I can't wait around. Everybody start to sound the same. Before you cross that street, you better